Welcome to another video from the farm. Today we're building a bug hotel. So we're going to go ahead and put this bug hotel right in front of our perennial garden. As you can see, our rhubarbs and blueberries in from last year. We've got our raspberries over there still. So we're building this bug hotel because we've got lots and lots of bricks still knocking around the farm. We've also got a giant pile of wood that's got lots of little sticks in it. And to make it, we're going to use a load of these house bricks with holes in. We've got quite a few concrete blocks with holes in too. We've got this giant pile of wood to get through still. As you can see, lots of decent sized bits, but lots and lots of little sticks too. So we're going to use a lot of them up, I think. We're going to build a little arrangement of those bricks. Then we're going to fill it full of these logs, and then we're going to gather up loads of small sticks and make multiple layers of stored stacked wood that can be kept moist, and then hopefully provide a nice little home for plenty and plenty of insects. So step one then, let's get some of these blocks in place. Got our four corners in place. And then we're going to be building up the corners a little bit like this. One layer of one sort of brick, another layer of another, and so on and so forth. And then we're going to end up with our corners looking like this. So we'll go ahead now and we'll start doing the rest. So we've got the front of the bottom layer in the rough position. We've still got to fill all these little tiny holes with lots of little sticks and bits of bamboo. We've got this end almost done, and this end almost done too. Now we've been filling the middle with breeze blocks and all our off-cut bits of wood. Hopefully these breeze blocks should retain quite a bit of moisture as they're fairly porous, and then also create a nice sort of dark, cool area in the middle for the insects too. So we've got the front all done now. All the corners are in. Halfway up this one side and almost at the side at the back. As you can see, we're going for a mix of random sized bits of wood, long bits, small bits, funny sized shapes. Yeah, old bricks as well in the middle. Keep filling this up. We're almost there. So we're going to go for a turf roof on this as well. We've got it roughly in place now with the board we're going to use and the two bits of wood along the corner pillars to support it. And now I'll go ahead and I'll go make it whilst Stu's finishing off filling in the inside. So I'm going to do this mini roof in the same way as we do our other green roofs. So basically it's going to be the flat board. I'm going to put this wood around the edge like so. I'm going to do it along this edge, all four edges, and then we're going to line it with a piece of this damp proof membrane. So I'm just going to quickly mark all these out, cut them to size and screw them down. So we've got the basic frame in. Now time to put on some damp proof membrane. This stuff comes in a 4 metre wide roll, so we're going to end up with a lot of excess no matter how we cut this, but we'll try and cut a smaller piece as possible. So the idea of this is not to waterproof it per se, is to create a little area where rain can collect so we won't have to be watering the turf on top as often. Over, looks like Stu's just finished wrapping up. As you can see, all nicely full of logs now. Doesn't look too shabby. Just the little holes to fill with little twigs to go. Stu's just taken out a little bit of turf from directly behind it to put on the roof. Breaking apart a load of sticks, start filling up all the little holes. Bosh, turf roof's on. Well done, Stu. So we're pretty much there now. Just a few left in the bottom to fill up, and the ones on this corner. So not a bad couple of hours work. Got a nice successful bug hotel built here. If I don't say so myself, I do like the full log wall we've got going on this side. So I think we'll wrap this video up here now. Until next time, bye bye.